Today I'm going to show you how to make a quesadilla in only a few minutes. So we're going to start off with a large flour tortilla and turn on the heat to a medium heat. We're only going to use two ingredients, a tortilla and also cheese. You can choose any cheese. My favorite is Swiss, so I'm going to be using that. You can also use shredded cheese or sliced cheese like this. We only have to fill up half of it. Just allow our tortilla to heat up and make the bottoms crispy. Just fill in any empty holes with cheese so we get a consistent cheesy bite. Now we just wait for the bottom of the tortilla to heat up and turn a crispy brown that we want it. We'll know it's done when we start shifting the pan. You can pair this with salsa, guac, or also sour cream. I have salsa verde today, so we can put that on the side as well. This is a nice quick snack that anyone can make. This should only take 2 to 3 minutes to make. We can tell it's almost done when the bottoms start to turn brown. This one has about a minute or so more. We want to add the cheese right when we put the tortilla on so it has time to melt. So we're just going to fold this over right down the middle. If you want a larger one, you can fill the whole thing with cheese and put another tortilla right on top. If you want to add meat, you can also have leftover chicken, pork, or beef and add it right in the middle. It'll heat up just the same way. Any cooked vegetables works as well. We're just going to keep on cooking it until it has a crispy bottom. You can hear the cheese start to sizzle on the side, which means it's melting just the way you want it. Right when I push this, you can see the cheese oozing out. Once you hear that, you can flip it. This is the color and texture that we want it to have. It's nice and crispy on the outside, and the cheese inside is gooey. This tortilla has about a minute left on the other side, and then it's ready to be served. Occasionally check the bottom. The pan is hot now, so we don't want to burn it. Has about 20 more seconds. Turn the heat off. These tortillas are nice and crispy. This is how you make a quesadilla in only a few minutes. So you can feel that the outside of this is crispy and the cheese inside is gooey. So dip it into our salsa. This is so good. The cold salsa complements this warm hot tortilla very well. You can feel the cheese stretching as you bite into it. This is one of the easiest things to make, and it's really hard to mess up. This is how you make quesadillas in only a few minutes with only 2 ingredients. See you guys next time.